guys, so all the parts have arrived for the white Evo. A lot of parts for it. I can't really say much about them, guys, but yeah, it should be done fairly quick. It has no motor right now because you know Evo stuff. But it's gonna come out sick, guys. Stay tuned. It's been a while actually since last time I posted this car, but it's because that we're getting parts for it, and you know how it goes when you're trying to make the car go fast. But yeah, stay tuned, guys, and you'll see how this car ends. Day at the shop, we're working at Infinity. Broke his axles, but the GSX still up here. They're ready over there. So we got one block here, O-ring and everything. So you guys need any work on Mitsubishi, let us know. Then the motor coming up. So this motor right here from the GSX, it's pretty much done. Just gonna put a few things and then we're gonna go put it on. So stay tuned for that, guys, and hopefully the customer is satisfied. And then we got the ready over here, guys. The weather is getting a lot nicer out here, so we're gonna do some work to this, guys. And thank you again for watching, and I'll be posting more of the car, so stay tuned and like this video. A lot more things coming, guys. These are some of the pistons we like to use here at the shop, and then the I-beam rods. So Brian over here on packaging these, because another motor getting ready for build. So check those out, guys. They're really brand new. So we're back again with the DSM. He got a side exit exhaust. Go follow him at junys DSM on Instagram. Nice as GSX. Let's go turn it on. Let's see how it sounds with the new side exit. Let's see how this GSX sounds now with the side exit. A lot more is coming for the car, guys. The owner over here, Junie, he has a lot of stuff coming for this summer. He needs to hurry up because summer's almost here. So stay tuned, guys, and you'll see a lot more in the vlog. Oh. guys. That thing is fast. And a lot more is coming for it, huh, Junie? Oh, fuck. Did it broke or? We're right here. We came out to RBI. We found out one of my boys. He just got the Mustang. Sick, man.
I'm running 8 PSI at about 450 horsepower. Can you crank it up or is that like... I have to change the pulley. I have the pulley at home.
Oh, okay.
How much is... Remember I wanted to do